Boom! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Perfect Bag. My name's Clint. Today we are going to be looking at waxing a bag. That's right. Got a bar of canvas and a canvas bag from Gaudium. This is a kind of a knockoff or a cheap bag off Amazon. We're starting out, and all we do is rub the wax onto the bag. Wax on, wax on. Wax, it's literally just wax on, no wax off. Wax on, wax on, wax on. Time to speed things up now through the magic of television. Now that we've waxed the bag properly, time to break out the heat gun. That's right, just a low heat gun for crafting. You can use a hairdryer as well, but check this out. I think you're going to like it. We're going to hit it with the heat gun once, then we're going to re-wax the sucker, then we're going to hit it with the heat gun again. All right, everybody, look at this. We have a waxed canvas bag. I've been waxing my Gaudium. I'm going to let this dry a little bit more, and I'm going to hit it with the heat gun one more time. But what do you think of this versus the starting product? Do you think it made a difference? Do you think this bag looks any better now that we've waxed it? The process itself is pretty easy. I might hit it with the bar one more time, but as you can see, just rub on wax, hit with heat gun, rub on wax, hit with heat gun. And this is what I get. Maybe I'll do it one or two more times, but all right, I did 2 more coats, everybody, 2 more coats, and I wanted to show you the final product. Here we go. So you can, I think, see how it turned out here. It's got the crispiness, the crunchiness of a wax canvas bag. You can see the colors here. It's a lot stiffer than it was as well. What do you think? I think it turned out really well. You can see it's got that scratchableness of a wax canvas bag. I think it looks really, really good. Hopefully you all saw, you know, it really was as easy as hit bag with bar. I used about half this bar, I think. I did 5 coats because, you know, one of them wasn't very good, the first coat, but I think 5 coats, and saturated the bag, heated it up every time. Yeah, I think it looks really good. Let me know in the comments, have you ever tried this? Do you think I did a good job? What do you think of this cheapy bag turned into a wax canvas superstar? I think she's beautiful. All right, everybody. Thank you. Really appreciate it. See you next time. Bye for now.